Nigerian genius.
So I want to congratulate the finalists that we have today. We had a very intensive selection process, and 4 decided to have emerged as finalists. So congratulations to the team from Yaba College of Technology, Yaba Tech. Clap for yourselves. Clap for them. Congratulations to University of Union. Clap for them. Congratulations to Ahmadu Bello University Zaria, ABU Zaria. And congratulations to University of UNIU. Congratulations to Francis Mina. So before I continue, I have the honor and pleasure to work with amazing experts sitting on my right and on my left. We have the honor to have the presence of these wonderful engineers and technologists who will be supporting us as mentors and as judges. So it's my pleasure to introduce Amara. The profile of these people are too long, so I will need their profile because it will take hours. So I just mention their names, and we'll clap for them. Let me introduce Amara, Engineer Okeke. Let's clap for him. He was the past chairman of the Nigerian Society of Engineers Aba chapter. Clap for him again. On my right is Engineer Ekelachi Peter. So clap for him. He is the chairman of National Association of Technologies in Engineering, NATE. Clap for him. Chapter. So I just run you through what you expect every day. So the first 3 days to 4 days of the competition is intensive training, which you've already passed through. So you've been trained on different engineering skills, including computer design, CAD, computer manufacturing, CAM. You've learned 3D printing, you've learned CNC machining, you've learned product design, industrial design. You've also learned laser cutting, laser engraving, and then you've also learned fabrication. You've learned welding, you've learned drilling, you've learned tapping, you've learned painting, spraying, you've learned casting. So you've learned essential and basic engineering skills, which we hope. You've also learned electronics, right? You've learned embedded systems, programming. So you've been equipped with the essential skills which you will need to solve Nigeria's toughest manufacturing and engineering challenges. So after that 4 days of intensive industry training, the remaining 10 days is the challenge, where you will be given a challenge which we are going to announce, and then you have the remaining 10 days to design and build a solution to the challenge. So in the morning, every morning we are going to have 2 sections or 2 tests. 2 tests in the morning. The first test is a brain teaser. or a brain exercise, which will last for about an hour, where I will give you different challenges to work on, and then we will score your performance at the end of those challenges. So 1 hour in the morning, 9 to 10. Then after that brain teaser or brain exercise, you have a second exercise in the morning where you make presentation before the judges. So we're going to mount the platform here, what we call your team. You mount the platform and you present progress report to the judges. You talk about the progress you made the day before, and then you talk about your plans for that day, each team. So what we call, you present the progress you made the day before, and then your plans for that day that we are, of the event. That will last for about an hour, and we are also going to score that. Then after that, you will go into the work, your design, your work. So you have cubicles or partitions for each of the teams, each university. So you can see the label for your school, the label on each of your cubicles or partitions. So that's where you work for the day. Then you also have equipment available for you. You have 3D printers, you have CNC machines, design cutters, and then for fabrication, you have the facilities at the Advanced Engineering Center, where you have the industrial machines, welding machines, drilling machines, everything you need to build your work. So you'll be working here, and then you'll be working at the other section where you have the industrial machines. So you do that from 11, so from 9 to 10 is the brain exercise. Then from 10 to 11 is the presentation. From 11 you work on the solution till 9:30 p.m. By 9:30 p.m. we'll shut down the factory. So you'll be able to do any heavy-duty work again. But as you continue with your maybe brainstorming, planning, designing, and all that thing that you can do, then you're supposed to sleep around 10, so you can wake up the following morning. We've already shared the schedule with all of you, so you have the daily schedule for the event. So I'm going to talk about the criteria for the score. So we are going to have for the overall winner to emerge. Pay attention now. For the overall winner to emerge, we are going to be doing an evaluation, which will have 5 components. 5 components will make up the overall score, with which we are going to announce the winner. The first component is the brain teaser or the exercises, which has 10% of the final score. You have the presentations in the morning, which has 10% of the final score. You have the class projects for each of the classes that you've had, the courses. You are given a project. Is that correct? So you are supposed to build a project out of it. So we are going to be evaluating that project and scoring it. So you have 10% for that project. Then we also have a collaboration with the public or the viewers. So they also contribute to the overall winner. So I have 10% contribution from the public, from the public support. So that will include the voting, daily voting, the liking, the sharing, engagement on the post or on your school. So we'll be storing that, and that will make up to 10% of the overall score. And then we have the remaining 60% will be scored on the solution we build. So we'll give you the challenge, we will announce the challenge, and then you build the solution. So that solution we build will amount for 60% of the overall score. Then during the brain exercise, it will be live, it will be streamed live, and then there will be live voting in that period. So in that live voting in that period, we will announce a winner every day. The team that has the highest votes will be announced winner every day, and they will earn 10 points. We give them 10 points. So we are going to add up all these points by the end of the final day of the competition. We will add up all the points. It will make up part of that 10% for public support. Also, at the end of each of the morning exercise, the judges will score and will announce their own winner. And the winner will also get 10 points. So we are going to have available 20 points every morning to win. 10 points from the public votes, and then 10 points from the judges. Then in the evening, every day, we are going to post a summary video for each of the teams, and then we are also voting for an hour, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So that we are voting twice a day, one in the morning, 9 to 10, during the brain exercises, and then I will be voting in the to add it up, and then they will earn 10 points. I will share with you the templates, this evaluation templates for the daily exercise and the presentations. So four criteria. One is the results that you produce or the outputs. So we will score the overall results or outputs that we have. We also score innovation and creativity. That's brain exercise. Then we are scoring the durability. We will score the durability of what we build, how strong or how durable it is. Or the appearance, how fine or how clean it looks. For the presentation, we are scoring again 4 criteria: clarity of your presentation, how clear it is. Then the content of your presentation, how rich is it? Is it comprehensive enough to give a detailed So I'd like you to have a concise and rich description. We are scoring that. We are also scoring teamwork. So we would like to know the contribution of each member of the team. You know, what are they playing? We are scoring that teamwork. Innovation, the brain work or the innovation that you put into the presentation. Clarity, description, teamwork, and innovation. That's the template for the daily scoring. Before you is 4 boxes. These boxes contain the materials and the kits that you need for the challenge. So I'm going to call each team. As I call, one of the judges will go and present their box to them that contains the materials and the kits that they will need for the events. So I'll call Engineer KK. Please, can you step forward? You present the kits for Team Yabatech. So Team Yabatech, please come forward and collect. Clap for Team Yabatech. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Minister. Take your seat. So let me call on technologies, Peter. Please, sir, can you step forward? So you help us to deliver the box, the materials for Team ABU, Zawa. Team ABU, please come forward to collect your. Okay, clap for them. Let's also help us to deliver the box for Team Football. Team Football, please can you come forward and collect your, key. Clap for Team Football. Okay, clap for them. Thank you. So,
remember the judging criteria. We have teamwork, innovation, durability, and the rest. Okay, are you ready?
The Nigerian Genius.